So hi and welcome to all you caravan and motorhome fans, because this video is all about caravans and motorhomes. In fact, it does actually cover all kind of gel coats as well, because for 20 years now I have been working within the sector of caravan store facilities, and that's actually moved on more recently to actual people's own addresses as the community expands in the world of touring around the UK. So within this service I provide, we are 100% self-sufficient if required. So we can go to storage units and we don't need water and power. We can use all of our own. The service are from basic services just to clean it and go all the way through to gel coat polishing and interior care. So we are fully insured, we are fully self-sufficient, and we've been trading for 30 years, so that gives you the peace of mind that we are not a fly-by-night firm. We go to multiple areas in the UK now, covering quite a large area of storage facilities who trust us to do their vehicles for them. So what do our services actually include? Probably the most popular service of all is the basic wash service, which, as you all know, generally includes the problem area of your roof. The roof takes a bit of a, battering. The weather elements get into it, and the pickup of dirt from natural fallout generally is where the green actually accumulates and is a bit of a job to get clean. So all the basic wash covers those areas. It covers your gutters, it covers your windows, it covers the roof, it covers the shuts. All those areas are cleaned as per that service. We use a high grade of wash and wax, which gives you a high level of shine on there on maintained surfaces, on newer surfaces. If your surface is quite old and weathered, then you do need to go to a polishing service, but the basic service covers that. And generally we also add a siloxane, in fact sealant, which will enhance the protection over a period of time, which is quite well suited to gel coats, because caravans and motorhomes obviously aren't usually in his use as much as a car, so the protection level doesn't have to be as high, so you can expect months of protection. The service we push you towards on this, or we advise on this, is a 2-year service. So once before you go out, say at the springtime, and once when you finish at the end of the season, and that prolongs the protection and the shine level and the appearance of your caravan and motorhome. If you're talking regarding the motorhome service and the basic service, that also includes all your door shuts, your windows inside and out, and around the fuel cap areas also, wheel arches. All those are standard part of the service within the basic wash service. Interior cleaning on your caravan and motorhome generally is a basic service. It's not the only service we do, but that's the one we do the most. So we're talking surfaces, cushions and seats. If you wanted to go to a more extensive service, then this is going to push the labour time an awful lot, and we do price that according to what exactly you will need doing. Now that can include living quarters, your bathrooms, and even oven cleaning as well. Those have to be priced in accordance to the size of the vehicle and the age. I have done several services on caravans which have been standing for a long period of time, and they want to be brought up to as best standard as possible for sale. They generally tend to take longer, so they have to be priced in accordance to the vehicle we're actually working on. So over more recent times, say within the last 10 years, the demand has become more common for gel coat polishing. So if you've got a surface which is dulled over, then potentially we can restore that to a very high standard of finish. Now that could be on a horse box, it could be in a glider trail, it could be a boat, it can be a caravan, it can be a motorhome. So in reality, any gel coat surface can be polished and restored where you've lost that lustre and that shine that was once there. So what I certainly do recommend is if you're going down the realms of gel coat polishing and restoring finishes, is to put a level of protection on there. So having ceramic coatings on your caravan or motorhome does indeed give you great protection against UV rays. It also gives you that hydrophobic protection, and it enhances glosses on surfaces as well. This is not the only service that we provide for the outside. We also do acrylic window polishing. So If your windows, when you look at them in pure sunshine, you see horrible cobwebbing or swirl marks on there, or you've got abrasions on there where you've hit foliage on those windows or caught foliage, then we can remove a high level of that, if not all of it, to give a better looking finish on there and essentially a clearer vision out of those windows. Also, we provide services on those bumpers. If you've got black bumpers which are faded, we can help enhance those, sometimes to a very high level depending on how aged they are, but certainly give that newer look bumper finish, which in turn actually enhances the rest of the appearance of your caravan or motorhome. So depending on what your budget is and what you want to achieve, we can provide hard waxes, spray waxes, paste waxes, ceramic coating, siloxane based sealants, all tie in with what the budget you have and the finish that you want. If you want to contact us and ask what you think's best for you or have more details, then please do. There'll be contact details within this video, and we do cover large areas. At the last count, we were covering 10 storage areas in the UK that were covering four different counties. So for more information, do visit the website, which is bedfordvaletingandetailing.com, and click the inquire button if you need further information. Of course, you can call me on WhatsApp. All those kind of socials, contact details are there for you to get hold of us and potentially make your caravan or motorhome look fantastic again. Regarding horse boxes, we do cover a countrywide service on that if required, and the whole of the motorhomes are covered within the service of what you require. So I'm Matt Jones of bedfordvaletingandetailing.com. Thanks for watching. There are other videos that include glider trailers on their own and boats as well, and if that's what you're looking for, then please do take a look of some of the results that we've gained in the past. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I will hear from you at some point.